Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have lots of little mighty machines. Let's take a look. Oh my, it looks like a traffic jam. Let's see if we can sort these mighty machines. Look, here's a cement truck. Let's get all the cement trucks together. Come on, everybody! 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's all the cement trucks. Let's do the bulldozers next. Here's our cute little bulldozer. Line up the bulldozers. And me! Get out of my way! We have 5 bulldozers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this crane. Let's see if we can find all the other cranes. We have 4 cranes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Here's a steamroller. Let's see how many steamrollers we have. We have 4 steamrollers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, we have a water tanker. How many water tankers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, we have an excavator. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, look, we have a dump truck. We have 4 dump trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have another one. No, you forgot about me. I'm a dump truck too. Now we have a fire truck. It's got an extendable ladder on it. It has a bucket too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have a water tanker. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have some semi-trucks. 5, 6. Wow, we're really lining them up. Let's see what's next. We have a gas tanker. It's carrying gasoline. Next, we have this box truck. He could be carrying all sorts of things. And finally, we have this little utility truck. Wow, look at all those trucks! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.